Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of these Kirkland Cranberry Almond Barks. Alright, normal price $9.99. It was $4 off, so basically $6. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alright. So you can see the nutrition facts. Servings, about 14 servings per container. Serving sizes, 1.5 ounces, 43 grams. Amount of per serving, 230 calories. Total fat, 16 grams, 20%. Saturated fat, 9 grams, 44%. Trans fat, none. Cholesterol, 5 milligrams, 1%. Sodium, 10 milligrams, 1%. Carbs, 22 grams, 8%. Fiber, 2 grams, 7%. Sugars, 20 grams, which includes 18 grams of added sugar, 13% or 36%. Protein, 2 grams. Calcium, 2%. Iron, 2%, and no potassium. Ingredients are dark chocolate, which is chocolate liqueur, candy sugar, chocolate liqueur, cane sugar, cocoa butter, lecithin or soy, vanilla. What? Vanilla is made from, what is this? Why are they putting that in parentheses? Vanilla milk, white chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter, whole milk, whey, sunflower lecithin as an emulsifier, vanilla extract. Then there's cranberry, which is cranberries and sugar. And then there's almonds, which is almonds. And then contains milk, soy, and almonds. Right? So if you're allergic to any of those, be careful. Here you go. Made in USA with domestic and imported ingredients. Allergen information. Manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, eggs, peanuts, coconut, and other tree nuts. So if you have food allergies, you can see it says read carefully. Net weight, 595 grams, 21 ounces, 1 pound, 5 ounces. Sell by February 29th, 2024. And yeah, if you're not completely satisfied, yeah, you can just return them and Costco will take them back. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. It has this peel off, break off thing, but that's not really a good security because if you grab this tab and you pull, you can see you can open it without breaking that off. So yeah, I don't know. I don't trust those things. Anyways, this is what it looks like. All right, let's give it a try. Dark chocolate isn't really my thing. It's not super strong dark chocolate, but yeah. Then you got the flavor of the almonds, which is pretty nice. Nice and crunchy. And yeah, I think it's a decent treat. With the current sale, I think it's a good price. I wouldn't buy it at full price. Personally, since it's not really my thing, I probably won't buy this again, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. Right? This isn't something, usually candies and stuff like this aren't something I buy very often. I kind of want to eat more though. I'll eat this small piece. Chocolatey, has that sweet tanginess of the cranberries and the crunchiness of the almonds. But yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.